Alright people, what's up? And that's my wife there. Alright. Baby, where are we going today?
I'm going to get your work done. Did you pick up that?
Yeah, I picked it up. Say hello to my YouTube family. She's wearing a helmet in the lift because she's too lazy to wear it. I'm wearing it because I'm controlling my GoPro from this. I don't want to remove it and keep adding it all the time. Say it again, say it again. So this is gonna be a little tricky. She has to sit on this bike right now, and I've got this top box.
Basically, you want me to fall and die?
No, you're not gonna fall and die. Why will you fall and die? Just a minute. Let me just take the bike in the front. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, sit. So we are heading to the Forum Mall today. I'll tell you why we are doing that. अब जो GoPro लिया था उसके साथ as usual, so GoPro Hero 8 mic. Just a minute. Yeah, I think I'm audible enough right now. So GoPro Hero 8 mic has got an adapter as usual, right? So GoPro has to keep selling stuff, so उन्होंने चिपकाया हमको adapter. और now the issue with the adapter is the adapter does not seem to work. It was working earlier, but it is not right now. So, and there you go, and switched off. Let's just give it a minute. Yep, so it's not working, guys. Alright, now I don't know if it's a settings issue or if it is, I have no idea क्या हुआ है यार. Settings issue रहेगा, I think so, because I tried powering it on with 4 different modes. You've got the standard mic plus, powered mic plus, and all those good things as well. So yeah, but it does not seem to work. It is not recording, so I am using an alternate GoPro that I have with me right now to make this video, and I need to show this because tomorrow I have a ride coming. कल जा रहे हैं हम लोग पूरे मोजो ग्रुप के साथ. We are heading to Mandargiri Hills. It is gonna be really nice. तो देखते हैं. उससे पहले अगर ये फिक्स हो जाए तो फिक्स हो जाए, नहीं तो मेरे को नया adapter खरीदना पड़ेगा. That is gonna cost me again 3,500-4,000 bucks, I think so, and I don't think it is available so easily in Bangalore right now. Such a beautiful. कितना अच्छा है ये सब चीज़ें. It's so nice, man. So nice. We need to cross this area to touch the Hosur highway. Okay, so yeah, the bike is almost ready. We are so I have also ordered for the new shoes for my bike. So I was supposed to be going for a Pirelli, but a lot of my friends told me that Ralco is pretty cheap and it serves the purpose as well. So I've ordered a Ralco off-roading tires as well. So I've got, since I've ordered it from Amazon, I'll post the links below. Let's just fill it up. गाड़ी में पेट्रोल बहुत कम है यार. कहाँ गया पेट्रोल बंक? Okay, perfect. The tank is done right now. पेट्रोल डलवा लिया है हमने. अभी हम हेड करेंगे दी होसूर फ्लाई ओवर. यार I'm just so worried. Amazon से मैंने ऐसे the only issue with the adapter of the see I'm fine, I'm okay to spend money. मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उस चीज़ का, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर सडनली काम करना बंद कर दिया तो इशू हो जाएगा यार. बहुत प्रॉब्लम है दोस्त लोग, बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. The weather seems to be fine today in Bangalore. It's a little sunny. Chalega. And I think I have not put my helmet properly. Let me just fix it for you guys. Yep. Okay. Such beautiful highways, man. Tamil Nadu highways are the best. And somebody's taking a Harley. There are two ways from our house, right? So one is the way that you come from the inside. We've got the Chandapura road coming up over here from the bottom. I don't know if I can be able to show you that. हाँ, तो ये वाला हाईवे नीचे से आएगा. वहाँ पे बहुत ट्रैफिक है, तो हमने ले लिया फ्लाईओवर जो मेन रोड से डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट होता है एक्चुअली. और हाँ, मैंने एक और चीज़ ऑर्डर किया. इतना लॉट मैंने ऑर्डर सडनली दिस पर्टिकुलर मंथ, आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड. मैं गया शॉपिंग स्प्री पे, so I've ordered the Rhinox gears as well. So I want to take this touring very seriously right now. बहुत मेहनत कर लिया अभी ऑफिस में. तो वो भी करना है, ये भी करना है, और कुछ है नहीं अभी. Also thinking of going and since I've noticed the fact that this bike is made specifically for touring, I don't want to be using it in a city, so I will have to also go and buy a city bike. I'm probably thinking of buying the Xpulse 200. Gonna install the entire rally kit besides the off-road tires on it, so I should be able to use it when I am riding in the city. It should be easier for me as well. लेकिन देखते हैं, सस्पेंशन तो उसका कॉस्टली पड़ेगा ही पड़ेगा मेरे को. But hopefully I should be able to buy all of them separately. और जितने मैंने व्लॉग्स देखे हैं तो सब चीज़ वही बोल रहे हैं कि you should be able to buy those things separately. You don't have to pay the entire 40,000 and then. But even if I am still paying 40,000, I will be able to use them later whenever I want it, right? तो इसीलिए I'm in two minds right now कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है बोल के. Since I have adjusted, और एक और चीज़ प्रॉब्लम हुआ है अभी for my wife. She does not usually go in the bike with me. She doesn't like bike so much. पसंद है लेकिन उतना वाला भी नहीं कि she would choose a bike over a car. So she is a car person, so yeah, I totally respect her choices. These are my choices, so I told her that I'll be going in a bike to Forum Mall today because I don't want to navigate in the traffic. देखते हैं. And I don't know if you ever see, so I've got Luvia handlebar racer as well. क्या कर रहा है मेरा भाई? Yeah, so Luvia handlebar racers आ गए अभी बाइक में, and the entire kit is set up. I am also thinking of doing some modification to the suspension as well. so that थोड़ा सा और हाइट कर देंगे so that it becomes easier for me because my height is around 5'11", 5'12", I think so. So for me the bike is still a little short. Maybe I will do the seat readjustment or whatever it is, I don't know. So many riders, man, these days. So nice to see all this. Really amazing. And a little bit of traffic, but still manageable in Bangalore. I think it's around 3 o'clock. I don't know if you're able to see my watch. My watch is on the side. Let me just put it properly. Yep, it's around 3 o'clock. तो आज ये GoPro का जो सेटिंग है वो ख़त्म करके मे बी अडाप्टर नया ख़रीदना पड़ेगा और वट एवर इट इज़, आई एम नॉट श्योर. जैसा मेरे को लग रहा है, आई वॉज प्लेइंग विद माई GoPro yesterday in the evening and I was trying to do all the settings that I can. तो पूरा करने के बाद भी the adapter or the mic seems to be working fine if I connect it to my phone, so I don't think there is any mic issues, but I feel that there is something wrong with the adapter or some settings. GoPro का इतना जल्दी ख़राब होना चाहिए नहीं. अगर ख़राब हो गया है तो trust me guys, people who are working in GoPro or the entire company, I don't know what to say, because see, you guys are not making it easier for us. You guys, first of all, the things are costly in GoPro, right? तो उसके ऊपर अगर मेरे को बोला जा रहा है कि कि अडाप्टर ख़राब हो गया या जो भी है, so I am gonna be really pissed off. Probably I'm gonna make a different video altogether and just roast GoPro for this, but I don't know. देखते हैं क्या होता है बोल के. Yeah, and I had removed my DB killers on the bike. DB killers are back again because I was trying to create a lot of nuisance actually in the apartments. अरे सब लोग बूढ़े रहे वहाँ पे. गाड़ी कितनी बड़ी हो जाओ यार, अगर if you have a little bit of knack on the bike and if you know how to ride your bike, no matter how heavy it is, you should be able to navigate in the traffic आराम से. I love this car, man. BMW. So यहाँ से आएगा हमारा flyover. I think you should be able to see that. I don't know. लेकिन देखते हैं. This is the only traffic that I was worried about, especially this place, because थोड़ा सामने जा मेरे भाई. बंदा क्या मस्त सो रहा है देख. So Luvia handlebar razors, very easy, very nice to handle, especially in the traffic, because earlier क्या होता था कि since the Mojo's front doom, I would say, or front entire bracket that is there, it was very heavier, and that used to be a little bit of problem when you are riding through traffic, or even if you're touring as well, right? So used to be a little heavier, or I would say a lot heavier for people who are not experienced with this bike. So handlebar razors Luvia वालों में बहुत मस्त बनाया, बहुत मस्त. They are strong, they are sturdy, and they are heavy as well. And लेकिन अभी जो मज़ा आ रहा ना गाड़ी भगाने में, बाप रे बाप, क्या बोले यार. Okay, let's just take the flyover right now. Side. पे ज़्यादा है यार। सही अगेन वन मोर टूरिंग गाय R15 में घुस रहा है एक्चुअली यार। थोड़ा थोड़ा देख के तो पीछे आ जा मेरे भाई। चलो यार चलो आगे चलो। Very small lane, man. Bebe, can you remove cash from here? Can you remove cash from this pocket? Yeah. चलो चले मितवा, पहले निकालो वॉलेट, उसके बाद पैसा रेडी रख लो, उसके बाद मैडम को दे दो और निकलते जाओ। यहाँ पे तुम वहाँ पे आके फिर वॉलेट निकाल रहे हो, फिर ये कर रहे हो, कितना टाइम वेस्ट करता है यार बंदा। चल मेरे भाई चल 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 निकल। पता नहीं जो भी है एक्चुअली, बट या $20 नॉट बैड। चलो and the flyover starts. Till we come down to the end of the flyover, you guys enjoy the video and I will be talking to you in a minute. Cross one more flyover right now. This is where the major traffic is. Again, people who want to go via Silk Board to other areas like Whitefield or Phoenix Mall. I don't know, man. This is really, and this is what happens. This is what happens actually. People don't have any kind of a lane discipline, and okay. All right, we're done with our work and we're heading back home. I'll tell you the story of the GoPro adapter a little while. Let me just get out of this mall first. चलो यार निकलते हैं, घर जाएंगे, रेस्ट करेंगे, उसके बाद शाम को मिलना भी है। बेबी हाउ होसो रोड राइट? कितना है सर? 80। बाइक को पार्क भी करना है और बाद में प्राइस भी बोलना है। चेंज उतना ही है सर। चलो थैंक यू। ओ बाप रे बेबे, व्हाट इज दिस ट्रैफिक? So here comes the story of the GoPro adapter right now. तो दिखाया मैंने लेके जाके। I think the name of the shop is some Photo Express or something like that, where they sell all of these accessories. I couldn't show you guys the video of the show, but it is in Forum Mall, 3rd floor. Yeah, Forum Mall 3rd floor. On the left hand side you will find that I think it's some PhotoViz or something like that, the shop name actually. So When I showed it to them, they looked at it. They did not do any kind of an analysis. They just told me on my face that there is a different team who does all of these things, like some technical issues or whatever it is. So nothing wrong with the audio of the or the mic, the lavalier mic or whatever it is, right? So nothing is wrong with that. Only thing is that खराब हो गया बेसिकली और कुछ नहीं अभी उसको since luckily we bought this in warranty. I think it is going to be replaced. When will this traffic end, man, in Bangalore? Now we need to head home right now, take some rest, because evening we've got a function to attend as well, me and my wife both. So, and then tomorrow morning I have to get up early at around 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the morning. I've got a ride that I need to go to. चलो 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 मैडम मैडम चलो. And again signal. इतना लंबा ट्रैफिक है लेकिन फिर भी 60 सेकंड का सिग्नल रखते हैं ये लोग यार. Stupid people. This one's going home? Oh nice, yeah. 356C, right? 6C. Yeah, that goes home, Chandapura actually. Maybe you wanna go on this? Well, I have a bike, no? I'm going to ask your your YouTube followers to follow me on my channel actually. Let me see my wife's followers. So I think she calls them, you call them Saharites, right? Yes. Okay, so to all the Saharites out there, you're going to be promoting this vlog, right? Okay, I'll buy you an ice cream if you promote my vlog or even my channel for that matter. Yeah, but she's still gonna do it, and for a okay, done. Chalo, diamond ring but for your birthday, right?
I don't know, you asked.
Alright, so let me tell you, all Saharites, go follow the Motorcycle Man on YouTube. That's right. Okay, so since the adapter is not going to be working, the only option for me right now is to take my other GoPro tomorrow, or probably my the Sena device that I have, which has got a camera in it as well. So that's the only option that I have. But yeah, चलो करते हैं कुछ ना कुछ तो यार. व्लॉग तो बंद नहीं होगा मेरे भाई. I have to go take a U-turn like this and then reach Hosur Road. Say hi. Hello. Hello. Say hi to the camera here. Hi. Say hi. Hello.